the same logic. So we're working on the E30 again.
Fucking mice all up in my car, man.
Really?
Yeah, so we got a mama and a bunch of baby mice. Making a home in me car. I don't like it.
I can hear them.
Yeah.
No glove, no love.
Oh shit! Fucking, what you doing, bitch? Too close.
Oh, it's behind you.
Huh? Oh shit.
They are behind you.
You left her, baby.
Yo, fuck this shit, I'm out. It went down into the carpet right over there. So it can't really get... Oh, hello. On this episode of Little Big Boys... These guys are up for adoption. They're kind of cute, but, you know, they're also rodents.
You're gonna die. You've gone too far.
God, Wallace here to help.
Jesus.
Got him.
Okay, there's 4 of them.
Well, looks like the mice are gone.
Something like that. We got the carpet out of the E30, which is good. We're gonna take the transmission off the motor. It took us a little bit to find our inverted torque sockets, but we finally found them, and so now we can take the transmission off. Yeah, good stuff.
This is exhilarating.
Fuck. Ugh. Ah! What the hell? Oh yeah. That's good.
And this is my cup holder. Oh wait. That could be a cup holder. Ooh. What are you writing?
I'm not writing anything. I'm just making marks.
Disconnection, man.
We did it. So, I'll show you guys this. When we take the transmission off the E30, every time we've done it, we've made this little template that looks like the back of the motor, just so we know where these go. You could do it, you could not, but I like being able to put my stuff back together without thinking about it. So, yeah, transmission is off now. This tire was kind of sitting under it, and it helped a little bit. It allowed me to like shimmy it back and forth, which was cool. Transmission's off now, which is sick.
That's pretty cool, bro.
Yeah,
Want to go drive the 240?
Sure.
First try is a pretty good sign. Past couple of drives, we've taken the 240 out, and this decides not to start again. That's pretty good, man.
Hey, it actually started this time.
Back it up and I'll hop in.
Alright, man.
I hope the hat I'm wearing doesn't blow off.
So, this car has a lot of the noises that you know your race car has. It's a little clunky. It's got lots of Heim joints and stuff, but it's not as clunky as like shitty Heim joints. We kept the rear subframe bushing stock with We actually put caulk in the center of it, so they're a little stiffer than stock, but they are stock bushings. So everything's supposed to be pretty comfortable, and I don't know about you, Coose, but I think it ended up working out pretty good. This car drives really effortlessly for what it is, you know, being a JZ capable of well over 400 horsepower. Like, it's a very drivable car. And although we've had a lot of like finicky, weird electrical issues, like the coil pack just came unplugged for some reason, no one knows why, but we've been like fighting weird little things like that for a while, and we hope we've got it pretty sorted now, so we're gonna go for a little ride.
Buy our stickers. Alright, so the goal today is to take the clutch and whatnot off the M20 so that Jonas here can put it on an engine stand. That engine stand.
Yeah.
Because you gotta do it from the back.
Yep.
I listened.
Lost the sauce. We've lost the sauce. Sauce is terminated. Cut the stream. Cut the stream.
And now it's off. That's pretty good. Coming in clutch.
I didn't think this would be able to do it.
We're gonna sell this car.
We're gonna sell this car. Yeah,
So-
we'll get it done.
We might-
Don't worry about it. What's up? You ever just, you know, okay, we need to stop playing games.
It's time to get serious, guys.
Well, Coose and I got to work on the motor, and the oil pan is just about ready to pop off. So yes, this works far better.
You know, it's kind of just sitting there now. It's pretty good.
Slow down. It took a really long time to get this dude clean. We neglected to drain it out for a really long time, and it got nasty. Don't do that. We need to not do that.
Look at that shine. Alright, well, that just about does it for this video. Got the transmission off. We got the clutch and flywheel off the motor so we could put the motor on a stand. And then we took the 240 out for a drive like a couple of dickheads. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Well, we hope you really enjoyed it. And we hope you're going to enjoy the next one. Bottom end life. Hey guys, if you like that video, please, it will mean a lot to us if you left a like and a subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell notification or that bell icon so you can get a notification for whenever we release a new video. It's a little bit sparse right now, but our content's gonna go up. I promise you. I love you. Whoa! The skyline's coming back! Oh shit!